so today I'm making a Calaloo soup with crab and bacon. We cooked our bacon. That is all like cooked and everything. It's over there. But then we have some of the bacon fat here, and we're gonna add our vegetables and aromatics. So I have some red pepper.
That's a green pepper.
I mean, oh my God. Okay, first of all, menopause. Okay. Anytime I can like get in the word menopause when I'm on TV, I do it, because you know, remember we do go through it, people. Okay, anyway. Okay, so green pepper, and I have some onion. I'm gonna put in some garlic.
Of course you are.
Yes, you know.
And
then I have like this habanero or Scotch bonnet sliced. Right, that's gonna go in there.
To release the heat, baby.
Exactly, but you don't want all that heat. You don't want the steam, because that's what's all hot and spicy. Some thyme, and then I'm gonna add compliments, which is salt.
Yeah.
So you all, I call this compliments.
Yeah.
Because if you don't use it, you ain't gonna get no compliments. Okay.
Yes.
And the thing is, you have to take time and sweat that, and you don't, all the flavors are coming through, okay? So that gets all soft.
Then it goes to this guy, right?
It goes to this guy. I am adding some coconut milk. I'm adding some clam juice. And then I'm also adding some chicken stock, okay? And then, so it happens to be dairy-free. This does not come up to a boil because you don't want to break the coconut milk. So you're gonna cook this
is over moderate
minutes.
heat. This is on just above medium-low.
So we're gonna cook that for about 15 minutes, all right? Now, I have also come back and put in, like,
smells good.
Right? I know, right? And if you wanna do like okra or something like that, now, before you blend this, make sure you take that pepper out. So we have all these cooked vegetables. We're gonna add the spinach into this, and it's gonna make this beautiful bright green, okay?
Gorgeous.
So we just close this up.
Zap it?
Yep, zap it. And you're gonna see it's turning this beautiful color. Yes. So you just keep putting this in, and you have this beautiful color, right? And so this is our finished soup.
Look at the color of this.
You see this?
Unreal.
Isn't that gorgeous? And then I have the crab. Crab is sexy too, child.
Oh, I love crab.
Wait, what's happening?
Olive oil?
Okay, yeah. This is like one of your trick, I know you like a squeeze bottle.
No, it's not a trick. It's not a trick. No, I use cruets. They're actually on the back counter.
Okay, this is cool.
I didn't do this to you.
Okay, okay. So I'm gonna add a little bit of flavor to the crab, because everything that you put on the soup, in the soup, over soup. Oh, look at that, 2 pieces.
Oh, it fell out.
Dang.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, dang.
Oh, there it happened again.
I'm just gonna break up some bacon.
Want me to go ahead and ladle some, baby?
Go ahead and ladle some. Okay, so we're gonna do this.
Oh, gorgeous.
Got this, okay, and then...
Shut the door. That looks good.
And you can always cut your bacon up, you know.
Come on, let's have a cheers.
Yeah.
Oh, cheers. Cheers, big ears. That'll make you believe in a higher power.